Hey folks, did you know that over time, oil pipelines can get clogged with sludge and contaminants? This buildup can seriously mess with your flow efficiency and spike your operational costs, but don't sweat it. I've got a game changer for you. Introducing AQUAQUICK 2000. This is not just any cleaning agent, it's a water-based, biodegradable superhero composed of ecological materials and plant extracts. Yeah, you heard right. Eco-friendly and powerful. Here's how you can harness the power of AQUAQUICK 2000 to keep your pipelines in tip-top shape. First, dilute AQUAQUICK 2000 with water in a ratio of 1:25 to 1:50, depending on how gunky your pipes are. Then heat the solution to really amp up its cleaning punch. Next, introduce the heated solution into your pipeline system. Let it circulate so it can contact all those hard-to-reach spots. Now it's time to agitate. Use mechanical means or bump up the flow rates to help dislodge that stubborn sludge. After giving it some time to work its magic, flush the pipeline with clean water. This will wash away all the loosened contaminants. Finally, do a thorough inspection to make sure all the sludge is gone and your pipeline is operating at peak efficiency. Why go with AQUAQUICK 2000? For starters, it's environmentally safe, biodegradable and non-toxic, so it won't harm ecosystems. It's super effective at breaking down oils and greases, and it's cost-effective too, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Plus, it's versatile enough for various industrial cleaning needs beyond just pipelines. So, if you want to keep your pipelines flowing smoothly and sustainably, AQUAQUICK 2000 is your go-to solution. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, choosing eco-friendly options like AQUAQUICK 2000 is a win for your pipelines and the planet. Catch you in the next video.